Now that we performed the mod, let's see how it sounds. I'm going to start off clean on the bridge pickup, everything at 10. Here we go. So far, everything sounds exactly the same. Let's go ahead and roll it down to about 5. You'll notice everything really starts to get darker and warmer as you roll the tone off. Let's keep going. We're going to roll it down to about 1. Now that's really dark and that's really warm. That's probably a little too warm than I would normally play with it, but depending on the situation it can work. Now we're going to try it about 6, and we're just going to play something a little different. Great. Now let's see how the middle and the bridge sound together with tone control. We're going to start out with the tone on 10. Sounds perfectly normal. Our clean tone with the tone rolled all the way on 10 on the in-between between the bridge and the middle. Let's roll it down and see what it sounds like. We're going to roll it down to 5. And we're going to roll it all the way down to 1. See how it sounds. Sounds pretty dark and pretty warm. Now let's go ahead and test out the middle pickup with no tone control whatsoever, since we disconnected from the middle pickup and we put it on the bridge. Let's see how that sounds with no tone control. It sounds pretty bright and a lot different than it did before. Now let's go ahead and test out the bridge with a little overdrive and see how that sounds. We're going to start with the tone on 10. Now we're going to roll it down to about 5, and we'll hear it warm up quite a bit. Now let's roll the tone all the way down to 1 and see how that sounds. Now that's pretty dark and a little too dark for my taste. So let's roll it back up to around 5 and give it another go. There you have it. There's the before and the after. Overall, I think it sounds a lot better after than it did before. The bridge pickup is a lot more useful for me. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something new, just make sure and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. If there's a mod that you would like to see featured on an upcoming video, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.